Meteorologist Chris Smith here. I had the wonderful opportunity on Thursday to go out and speak to the kids at the Walton County Library there on the south end of the county, the coastal branch there. And look at all these smiling faces. It was a Meet the Meteorologist day there at the library, and you could see lots of smiling faces. I got to talk all about the weather and my job and do experiments. And you're like, hey, there's some empty seats. Well, unfortunately, some of the kids from the Boys and Girls Club came over from next door, from the Emerald Coast Boys and Girls Club, and so they filled up all the rest of those seats, but they had to skedaddle and head back over there. But the remaining kids there, look at them, look how cute they all are. But we had a fantastic time at the library, and fun fact, Miss Deanna, who helped organize this, was Lila's preschool teacher. There you see her on the right-hand side there with the white and pink, and she was Lila's preschool teacher, and so I took Lila with me, and she got to see Miss Deanna, and we had a great time. But thank you so much, everyone, for your hospitality. I certainly enjoyed it, and everyone was on their best behavior, and hopefully you learned a little something as well. But thanks again, everyone. I had a great time.